In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into WordPress, a process that can aid significantly in streamlining your scheduling and booking operations directly from your website. This is particularly useful for professionals and businesses looking to make their booking process as straightforward as possible for clients. Let's start by visiting the official Calendly website. Upon reaching the home page, your first step is to log into your account. You can do so by clicking on the login button available on the top right corner of the page. For ease and security, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. It simplifies the login process by connecting your Google account to Calendly. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be directed to choose the Google account you wish to link with Calendly. Make sure to pick the account you're comfortable managing your Calendly scheduling with. This choice will directly impact which calendar Calendly syncs with for your appointment bookings. Following your account selection, you will be prompted to authorize the necessary permissions. Click Continue to grant these permissions, thereby ensuring Calendly can access your Google Calendar and streamline the appointment scheduling process. Once logged in, head over to your Calendly dashboard. Here, you're going to focus on a particular event type you want to embed on your WordPress website. Look for the cogwheel icon next to your selected event type. This signifies the Settings option. Click on this icon and select Add to Website from the drop-down menu. This action signals your intention to integrate your Calendly link into your website. For a seamless appearance within your site, choose the Inline Embed option. This choice enables the Calendly scheduler to appear as a natural part of your page rather than redirecting visitors to another site. Click Continue and you will be provided with a snippet of HTML code. Click on Copy Code to grab this embeddable code, which you'll need to insert into your WordPress site. Shifting our focus to WordPress, navigate to your WordPress site's admin area. Locate the site editor under the Appearance menu if you are using a theme that supports full site editing, or navigate to the specific page or post where you want to add the Calendly embed if using a classic editor or block editor theme. In the site editor, initiate a new block by clicking on the plus icon. Here, search for the HTML block by typing HTML in the search bar. Select the Custom HTML option from the results. This block allows you to insert raw HTML into your page, which is precisely what we're aiming for. Pass the copied Calendly embed code into the custom HTML block. The visualization might not immediately reflect the actual Calendly interface, but don't worry, to see how it will look on the live site, click on Preview at the top corner of your editing screen. This action will render the embed code and display your Calendly booking page within the context of your WordPress website. Upon previewing and ensuring everything appears as expected, you're all set to publish or update your page. With these steps, you have successfully integrated Calendly into your WordPress site, creating a seamless experience for your visitors to book appointments directly without needing to leave your website. To wrap up, embedding Calendly into WordPress isn't just about enhancing your website's functionality. It's also about offering a smoother, more professional experience to your clients and visitors. By following the steps we've discussed, not only do you make scheduling meetings easier for yourself, but you also elevate the user experience on your site, which is a win-win for everyone involved. Remember, the digital world thrives on convenience and efficiency. Integrating tools like Calendly into your online presence is a smart way to keep your operations running smoothly and keep your audience engaged. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more useful tips and tricks in the future.